Today I'm going to run you through the Dmax RG1 3550 kilo GVM upgrade. Starting from the front of the vehicle, you can either choose from our GVM specific adjustable front struts or our digressive front struts. These will either be paired with our Trail, Expedition or Expedition HD coil springs. When we talk Trail, Expedition, Expedition HD, they are our weight ratings. So Trail is our unladen weight rating, Expedition is our 50 to 100 kilos, and Expedition HD is our 100 to 150 kilo weight range. Moving to our Cat 6 indicators, there's a number of variations with this model, which depends on your year model and which headlight you currently have on your Dmax. But all that information is available on our website and with our dealers. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, I'll move over. We have our Outback Armour leaf springs. These are available in our Expedition XHD, which is our 500 kilo constant rear load, and then Expedition XXHD, which is our 850 kilo constant rear load. Paired with our leaf springs are our greasable shackles, our greasable pins, our correct size U-bolts, and of course our bush kit. Moving to the rear shocks, that orange goodness in the back. Similar to the front, we have our Outback Armour Extended Travel GVM specific rear shock absorber or our DSV rear shock absorber. If you choose our Extended Travel rear shock absorber, our extended bump stops and our 2 brake line drop brackets are required. And if you don't choose our Extended Travel and choose our DSV rear shock absorber, the extended rear bump stops and our brake line drop brackets are optional extras. And just to reiterate, our adjustable rear shock absorber is Extended Travel and our digressive is not. And one last part of the kit is our Outback Armour Owner's Manual Supplement and our Outback Armour Tyre Placard. And all certification can be done through your dealer. That concludes our required components. I'm going to throw to Odell and he'll run you through the optional extras.
Thanks, Grant. Optional extras. Upper control arms, 3 degree of caster to help with wheel alignments and gives you that truer ride and prevent uneven tyre wear. There's also a diff drop kit to help with the CV angles and to prevent wear to the CVs. Progressive rate front bump stop and cap. These are to help with those unexpected whoops when you're going off-road.
We've been the suspension choice for armed forces and security teams around the world for years. If we can have a 10-ton vehicle performing well on a battlefield, it's a no-brainer to go with us for your vehicle's GVM. Give your closest Outback Armour dealer a call and never go alone again when you go with Outback Armour.